القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. So, alhamdulillah, we have gone through a lot of rules when it comes down to the Noon Saakin and the Meem Saakin. We've gone through Al-Ikhfa, we've gone through Ikhfa Meem Shafawi, we have gone through Al-Idhar, and we have gone through Al-Idgham. So, of course, we've gone through them according to the rule that will apply. So, Al-Ikhfa and Al-Idhar and Al-Idgham. But the classification is slightly different as well, is known as slightly different. So they come under the headings of Noon Saakin and Meem Saakin, the rules of Noon and Meem. So let's have a look at this classification. So as I mentioned, we've gone through them under the rules of under the rules. And although we have learned them in this order, and they have passed like this, they are strictly classified in a different order. So the rules can be classified under the following headings. They are classified under the headings of Noon Saakin and Tanween and Meem Saakin. So if analyzed, then all of the rules can be reclassified under these two subheadings, and this does not include the idgham of the non-ghunna letters, because of course Noon Saakin and Tanween and Meem Saakin are both the ghunna letters. So let's have these got the heading here of Noon Saakin and Tanween. So when we have Noon Saakin and Tanween, there are four rule possibilities. So the first possibility is Al-Ikhfa, and Al-Ikhfa occurs when one of these 14 letters occurs after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. And the second possibility is Al-Idhar, and Al-Idhar is when Noon Saakin and Tanween occurs and after that one of the 6 throat letters come. The third possibility is Al-Iqlab, so the changing. This is when Noon Saakin and Tanween is changed into a Meem, because a ba occurs after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. A ba occurs after the Noon Saakin or Tanween. And the last classification is Al-Idgham, and Al-Idgham is further divided into those bil-ghunna and bi-ghayr al-ghunna. So the ghunna ones are ya, waw, meem and noon, and ra, the ones without ghunna are ra and lam. So again, we can actually say that this one, the Noon Saakin and Tanween, into the Noon is al-mutamathilan, and the ya and the waw are the al-mutaqariban, and so is the Meem. And we can also say that the Noon Saakin and Tanween going into the ra and the lam, ra will be al-mutaqariban, and also so will the lam. So they will be both mutaqariban. So these are some of the classifications of Noon Saakin and Tanween and how they can be reclassified. Let's now have a look at the Meem. So we've got the Meem Saakin has 3 possibilities. So the first possibility is Al-Ikhfa, and Al-Ikhfa happens when the ba occurs after the Meem Saakin, because of course there's Ikhfa Meem Shafawi. The second possibility is Al-Idgham, and that's obviously Al-Idgham al-mutamathilan bil-ghunna, the Meem going into the Meem. And the third possibility is Al-Idhar, and that happens when Meem Saakin occurs and any of the other letters other than these two occur. So this is a reclassification of Noon Saakin and Meem Saakin rules that you should know and you should learn, because in some books of Tajweed they'll be classified as Noon Saakin, Tanween and Meem Saakin, and then all the other rules will apply. And in some it'll be like the way we've explained in our course. Now the reason why we explained it in our course the way we did, it is because it's easier to learn. And now that you know all the rules, you'll be able to see that, okay, if you pick up a different book of Tajweed or go to a different course, they may have classified it like this, and so that you won't be confused. And you should learn this well and ensure you can understand how the classifications occur.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Salam Alykum.